Hello and welcome to Tips on Using the VRQ. This is the first installment that we're going to be producing on a weekly basis, and today we're going to be covering how to search for an event. Under the Nominate window, you'll find the Find Event bar. Now, knowing any part of the name, I can find it. I can find it by location as well as the date. So if I'm looking for Tanner Productions event in Litchfield Park, Arizona, I can simply start typing in Tanner. And I found it. Now, it also has veterans in it, so I could have searched for veterans. And you'll see two of them, but I still came up with the Tanner Productions Salutes Veterans Barrel Race. So that allows me to enter any keyword in the name of the event. I'm also able to actually type in Litchfield. And then it will come up that way as well. Sometimes we don't know the actual city that it's in, but we know the surrounding areas. So if I know it's in Litchfield Park in Arizona, I can just type in Arizona, and then that will bring up all the events in Arizona, and then you can search by date. So it's going to be from the current date forward, and you can search through all the different names to try and find the one that you're looking for. Now, if you don't find it, you always have the option to enter the event. So let's say I thought it was named Tanner and I didn't spell it correctly. My options are to click here and add an event. If the event you want to add is lower than a Division 2, another option you have is to contact the support desk at 833-INTERRUPT. That's 833-368-3787. I can also send an email to support@wcrarodeo.com and contact them about adding the event. They will respond when they have that added, so you can continue to nominate from there. If you have any new ideas, please let us know that as well. Thanks a lot and have a great day.